Hello and welcome everybody to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. In our videos, we have been speaking about chakras, we have been speaking about the different aspects and issues of life in general, and today we are about to start a brand new series, a very interesting one for that matter. It's called the Mudras. In Ayurveda, there are different dimensions of healing. There are yogasanas, and pranayams. Mudra comes in one of them. There are techniques of the breath. But I feel like the general public has no idea whatsoever about how effective and how useful mudras are for our life and for our health. There are different types of mudras, of course, and when I say types and categories, there are just element mudras, and there are also mudras that heal your ailments. What we have to understand first of all is our hands are magical things. They truly are. In all of these fingers, the universe has bestowed upon the power of different elements. The element of fire, earth, air, water, and ether, the spirit, are all in our hands, all in our fingertips, if I have to be precise. And all of the nerves present in the tip of your fingers are connected to the chakras of the body. And all of the chakras are connected to hundreds of other nerves that activate different aspects of your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual body. And by forming different mudras, by the combo, as you say in video games, by the combo of connection of different fingers with different parts of other fingers, we can activate different aspects, different strengths, different immunity systems of our body. And these mudras have to be held on to for a certain amount of time. The average time to hold on to these mudras would be somewhere around 45 minutes, but there are some mudras that are very, very powerful, and they start showing their results within a span of 5 to 10 minutes at the most. And there are certain mudras that should not be held on to for more than that time. If done so, they can actually produce a negative effect on your body. So, what are the different elements that are present in your fingertip? The thumb controls the fire element. The index finger controls the air element. The middle finger controls the ether or the sky element. The ring finger controls the earth element. And the little finger, it controls the water element. That is the reason when you had to go to the washroom in your school, you had to show this finger to the teacher so that he or she would let you take that nature's call. Now, all of the fingers are also divided into 3 parts. As you can see, the top part, the middle part, and the bottom part. So, most of the mudras are concerned with connecting your thumb or the fire element to the other elements, right? So the science is, if you connect your thumb to the bottom part of any finger, the element respective to that finger, in this case it's the air element, that element starts to increase in your body. Similarly, if you connect the top of your thumb with the middle part of a certain finger, then the respective element of the finger will start to decrease. And if you connect your thumb to the top part of your finger, the respective element starts to balance itself in the body, right? You might have seen a lot of enlightened people, and even Gautam Buddha used to practice a lot of mudras. And that wasn't because he was actively practicing it. It was because he was in such a peaceful state of mind that the mudra would automatically form in his hands. If you are in a certain state and if you let your body loose, the mudras will automatically start to form in your hands. So it's kind of a vice versa process. You can either get to that state by forming that mudra, or you can get to that state first and identify the mudra. But the latter is usually difficult, and it can only be done by very, very sensitive people who have dedicated their life to meditation and healing and being sensitive and being receptive. And these people discovered all of these things, and now we can use them for our benefit. And mudras are so easy that you can hold on to them while doing anything whatsoever. You could be walking on the road, on your way to work, you could be sleeping, just watching TV, and you could just hold on to a certain mudra in order to get the desired effect. These days, allopathic medicine has taken over the world. We are human beings and naturally we get sick. But that sickness plays to our disadvantage and to the doctor's advantage. Health is something you can never compromise with, and hence you're ready to pay anything, any amount to make sure that you regain your health, that you get your health back. And this fact is played upon by the medical industry, who keep on producing drugs after drugs and keep on increasing the amount of the drugs. And you have no option but to pay your life's hard-earned income to the doctors in order to gain your health back. And hence, as an alternative to that, we can bring Ayurveda to our own home. We can start healing ourselves. I'm pretty sure mudras are one of those healing methods, and the development of the science of mudras is still in its infant phase. It's still a baby science, which means that it's still in its initial stages. But with time, let's not worry, but with time it gets more and more developed and more detailed and more elaborate. And this is all for all of us. This is for you, this is for me. And we can get healed with our own hands. There are some people who might be skeptic about this. But if you believe that chemicals outside can heal your body, and you yourself altering the chemicals inside your body cannot heal your body, then I have nothing to say to you. You're free to choose your own way of healing, and you're free to choose your own way of liberation. But I have practiced this upon myself, and hence I come forth and speak to you about all of these. So stay tuned with our videos. We are going to be addressing different diseases and different states of being and relate them with mudras. We are going to tell you how to form a certain mudra to receive a certain state of mind, or how to form another mudra to receive a certain state of health. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button. From tomorrow onwards, we shall start talking about the different mudras and the different diseases and state of minds that it can alter and heal. Until then, like this video, let us know what you think about this in the comment section, and share this with your friends and your family and with people who you think need these kind of alternative healings. Do not forget to subscribe to us, because we are trying to build a community, maybe slowly, but we are trying to build a community of new age, enlightened, fresh human beings. Until next time.